Hey, your fifth graders, this is Miss Naughton. I thought you might want a refresher on lowest common denominator because it is not an easy concept, is it? Okay, so if we're going to compare 2/3 to 3/4, we first need to have the same denominator for both fractions. So we stack our fractions and we do equal signs and a fraction bar to show that we're eventually going to change to an equivalent fraction for both. Now, here's the tricky part. 3 and 4. We need to find the lowest common denominator for 3 and 4. There are two ways we can do this. First, we can find a place on our scratch paper or board and do our math facts for both numbers and see where they compare. For example, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, that's far enough, I think. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is, you got it, 8. 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 5 is 20. Do you see a common number in both sets of multiples? If you said 12, my friends, you are correct. 12 is your lowest common denominator. So now we're going to go down here and convert both of these fractions to equivalent fractions that have the denominator of 12. All right, who remembers how to do this? 3 times what gives us 12? Well, it's 3 times 4 equals 12. Whatever we do to the denominator, to the number on the bottom, we do to the top, and vice versa. This is also called the numerator. If we're multiplying this by 4, we multiply the numerator by 4, which of course gives us 8. Now, 2/3 equals 8/12. These say the same thing. They're called equivalent fractions, okay? Now, how do we do it with 3/4? Same way. 4 times what equals 12? Well, 4 times 3. So we do the same up here, and now we have 9/12, which is what 3/4 equals. So now I think it's pretty clear which one of these two fractions is the biggest. If you said 9/12 or 3/4, you are correct. Okay, I hope that helps. We will continue working on this, so nobody panic. You can always ask me to show you another example. Talk soon.